So this is around just to show you the subway. I'm on my way to subway. It is like metro. So that's what I want to show you. Show you this China, Guangzhou. Very beautiful. And mostly they are underground tunnels. So up, you find that up is a route, but down is a subway. And they are really working well because they control the traffic. It is so busy. So there is a security check where they have to scan. I have to put my bag. So after that, there are several lines, but now I have to pull up to line 6. So there are several. So you find that they are interconnected. Even if you join another line, you can still find your way to the line that you want. So these ones are scan exit, but now I have to go to the entry. So the entry is here, and I have to scan an app here. I have to scan an app. Alipay. So you see this. So if I scan this app, it will open. Okay. It's already opened for me. So after scanning like that, I'll just go board, and then on arrival, when I exit, it will just cut the money automatically at the exit. So there are security people just to control traffic because of the number of people. There are so many. You can just imagine the depth that it was dark, because we started going down from the find if you start of the video. just imagine it is still going down. So it shows how down it is, how deep it was done. This Guangzhou, China, if you just forgot. And now our subway is here. So you can confuse. He's going in the opposite direction. He's now going in the direction that I want. We have to wait. Next stop is called Guangzhou. Here the stop is called but I'm going up to a stop called Guangzhou. So actually it is about 5 stops from where I am. It stops. Very effective. So I still have 1, 2. I'm stopping at Dong. I have 4 stops.
The train is arriving at Shanghai Station.
Every stop it will notify you before it stops. Loads of time for that. So it comes with a lot of notification.